Hello students, this is a maths worksheet 80, chapter number 14, time and temperature. Dear students, this is a new chapter and here we will learn about time and temperature. Wear mask. Wear mask properly. Follow physical distancing. Stay at least 6 feet from others. Maintain hand hygiene. Wash your hands frequently, always with soap and water, for at least 20 seconds. Remember, do not touch your face and do not share food or drinks with others. First, we will start from introduction. And here, first we will discuss time. There are two types of clocks, analog clock and digital clock. First, analog clock. It has a minute hand, hour hand, and also a second hand. Now, in this figure, this first one clock is analog clock, and here this one is minute hand and this one is hour hand. These type of clocks having one more needle, and this hand is known as second hand. And the digital clock, the digits on the left side shows the hours and from 1 to 12, and the right side digit shows the minutes from 0 to 59. Now the second picture, this type of clock is known as digital clock. Now, units of time. A day is divided into two periods of 12 hours each. AM, antemeridian and before midday. It is the time between midnight and noon, and this time is known as antemeridian time or AM. And the second, PM, post meridian, after midday. It is the time between noon and midnight. Here hours, minute and second. These are some units of time. Most of the clocks have three hands. The long hand, which moves very fast, measures is known seconds. A second is a very short period of time, say time taken to smile, to sneeze, etc. It is a smaller unit of time than a minute. When the second hand completes its full circle, 1 minute has passed. So 1 minute has 60 seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Now here we will discuss conversion of units of time. Conversion of minutes to seconds. We know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. Example, 2 minute equal to 2 into 60 seconds equal to 120 seconds. Now conversion of seconds to minute. We know that 1 second equal to 1 upon 60 minute. Example, 107 second. Here we will change 107 second to minutes. So here there is two method. There is two method to convert 107 second into minute. First, here we separate 60 second because 1 minute equal to 60 second. So here first we separate 60 second, and after that the left second write or add with this 60 seconds. So here 60 second equal to 1 minute, and after that we write 47 second. Or the another method, 107 divided by 60. So here if we divide 107 by 60, we get 1.47. So here before point 1 is minute and after point 47 is seconds. So here we write 1 minute 47 seconds. Conversion of hours to minutes. We know that 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. Now example, here we convert 3 hour into minutes. So 1 hour equal to 60 minutes. So here we multiply 3 by 60 minutes. So here we get 180 minutes. Now conversion of minutes to hours. We know that 1 minute equal to 1 upon 60 hours. Now here example, here we change 230 minute into hours. So here we divide 230 by 60. If we divide 230 by 60, we get 3.50. So we write 3 hours and 50 minute. So if we change 230 minute into hours, we get 3 hours 50 minutes. Now students, here we will discuss time. There are two types of clocks: analog clock and digital clock. These type of clock and watches are known as analog. These type of clocks having three hands: minute hand, hour hand, or second hand. So this small one is known as hour hand, this one is known as minute hand, and this long one is known as second hand. And this type of clock using in your home wall. So this small one showing hours, and this one long one showing minutes, and this, dear students, these small dash here shows 1 minute, and the total 12 to 1 shows 5 minute, 12 1 to 2 shows 5 minute, 2 to 3 shows 5 minute. So each dash shows 1 minute. So the total dashes 12 to 1 is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So that's the reason we multiply each place of minutes and seconds by 5. Third one shows seconds. So the hour hand shows hours. So here it shows 3. The position of minute hand in 8. So we multiply by 5. 8 5s are 40. So in this time this clock shows 3:40. Now digital clock. These type of clock are known as digital clock. In these two dots, digits in left hand side shows hours 1 to 12, and after these dots on the right hand side, these digits shows minutes 0 to 59. Like this clock. Now units of time. Here are some units of measuring time. Seconds. 1 minute equal to 60 seconds, and 1 hour equal to 60 minutes, and 1 day equal to 24 hours. And in week, 1 week equal to 7 days, 1 month equal to 28 days, 29 days, 30 or 31 days. 1 year equal to 12 months, and 12 months equal to 365 or 366 days. In leap year, 366 days. This is a very important note. 12 o'clock noon time is written as 12 noon, and 12 o'clock midnight is written as 12 midnight. It is wrong to write 12 am or 12 pm. So you will remember these things. Now here we will solve and write time by using the figure of this clocks. Look at the following clocks and tell what time they show. First example, here the hour hand is the position in 9 and minute hand in 1 and second hand in 5. So here we say that 9 and 1 multiplied by 5. The time is 9 5 and 5 multiplied by 5. 5 5s are 25. 9 5 and 25 seconds. So the time is 9 hour 5 minute and 25 seconds. In the second figure, the position of our hand in 7 hour, and the minute hand position in 2 5s are 10 because 2 multiply by 5, 2 5s are 10. So 7 hour 10 minutes, and the position of second hand in 10 5s are 50. So here we say that 7 hour 10 minutes 50 seconds. So here we write 7 hour 10 minutes and 50 seconds. Now the third figure and the third clock shows our hand in between 6 and 7 in this point. So we say that 6 hour and minute hand in the position in 4. So 4 5s are 20. 6 hour 20 minutes. The position of second hand is in before 1, mean 1 minute before. So count from here 1 2 3 4 second. So here we write 6 hour 20 minute and 4 second. Clock shows the hour hand is in the position between 11 to 12. So here we write 11 hour and the minute hand in 6. So 6 5s are 30. 11 hour 30 minute and position of 3, second hand position is in 3 and 3 5s are 15. So here we write 15 seconds. So 11 hour 30 minute and 15 seconds. Now here we will solve some examples related to conversion of units of time. So the first example, how many seconds are there in the following times? So here first we convert 4 minutes So example number A, 4 minutes. So here how many seconds in 1 minute? So 1 minute, we all know that 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here we multiply 4 by 60 seconds. So 4 6 are 24 and here we put zeros. So 4 minutes equal to 240 seconds. Now example number B. 2 hours. Here we will convert 2 hours into seconds. So here first we convert hours into minute. So 1 hour equal to 60 minute. Here we multiply 2 into 60 minutes. 2 6 are 12, 120 minutes. And now after that we convert 120 minute into seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here 120 multiply by 60 second. Now we multiply 12 by 6, and 12 6 are 72, and after that we putting 2 zeros. 7200 seconds. So 2 hours equal to 7200 seconds. Now example number C, 8 minutes and 16 seconds. Here we will convert 8 minutes 16 seconds in seconds. So here first we convert these minutes into seconds. So 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. So here we will multiply 8 into 60 seconds and add 16 seconds with it. So 8 6 are 48. So 480 seconds plus 16 second. 480 plus 16. 480 plus 16. So here 0 plus 6 6, and 8 plus 1 9, and 4. So here we write 496 seconds. So if we convert 8 minutes 16 seconds so in second, so we get 496 seconds. Now example number D. So here we will convert 12 upon 30 minutes. Now here we will convert 12 upon 30 minutes into seconds. So here 1 minute equal to 60 seconds. And we all know that if we multiply 12 upon 30 by 60, so here we will convert 12 upon 30 minutes into seconds. So now 12 upon 30 multiply by 60 seconds. So 0 cancel out by 0, and 3 ones are 3, and 3 twos are 6, and 12 twos are 24 seconds. So if we convert 12 upon 30 minutes into seconds, we get 24 seconds. Dear students, in this exercise I give some questions related to above discussion. So you will do all these questions in your homework. Thank you students.